In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit Godaddy. If you've decided it's time to move on to a different domain registrar or simply want to close your Godaddy account, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started, shall we? First and foremost, you'll want to ensure that all your business activities linked to Godaddy are wrapped up. This means transferring out any domains you wish to keep before closing your account. Remember, once your account is closed, you'll lose access to any remaining domains in it. To start, log into your Godaddy account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section titled Account Settings. Click on it, and then navigate to Renewals Billing. Here, you'll find a list of all the services linked to your account. It's crucial to review this list to ensure you're fully aware of what will be cancelled. Next, focus on any domains you possess. If you wish to retain them, they need to be transferred to a different registrar. To do this, go to the Domain Manager section. Pick the domain you want to transfer, click on it, and look for the Domain Settings tab. Here, turn off domain protection if it's on, as this would prevent a transfer. Find and note down your domain's authorization code. This is essential for transferring to another registrar. After gathering your authorization codes, navigate to the registrar where you wish to transfer your domains. Start a transfer request and follow their instructions using the codes you just noted. Ensure you receive confirmation from the new registrar that the transfer was successful before proceeding to close your Godaddy account. Now, returning to Godaddy, check once more that there are no remaining services you wish to keep. This includes website hosting, email accounts, or any additional resources beyond domains. Cancel any subscriptions you no longer need by clicking into them and selecting Cancel or turn off auto-renewal. With everything transferred or cancelled, it's time to close your account entirely. Return to the Account Settings, and now find the Contact Preferences section. Within it, you should see an option to close your account. Click on it, and Godaddy will prompt you to confirm the closure. Double-check to make sure you're closing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple ones. Confirm the closure, and you will receive an email from Godaddy as a final confirmation that your account has been closed. If you don't receive this email, double-check that your account was indeed fully closed by logging in one last time. And there you go, you've successfully navigated the journey of quitting Godaddy. Whether you're pursuing a new registrar or stepping away from domain management altogether, now you're equipped to move forward with confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below.